problem. Material cost of a job number 101 is 12,000 and labor cost is 8,000. Factory overhead is 20% on factory cost. Administrative overhead is 16.67% of cost of production. Selling and distribution overhead is 25% of cost of sales. What price should be quoted for job to obtain 20% profit on sales? So this problem is also similar to the problem number 1, but here we have given one more overhead, that is selling and distribution overhead. So calculation is similar to the previous one. Here job cost sheet, job number 101, particulars amount column. So direct material 12,000. Then direct labor 8,000. So no other expenses, so therefore prime cost is 20,000. Then we add to the prime cost factory overheads. So here factory overhead is not given, it is 20% on factory cost. It is here 20%. Then after adding 20% to this, we will get, therefore, factory cost. So factory cost is not given. So factory cost means here 100%. So this is 80% only. So simple calculation is 80 is equal to, or 80% is equal to 20. Then 20,000 actual is equal to how much? Or 80% is equal to 20,000, 100% is equal to how much? So it is 5,000. So factory overhead is 5,000. 20,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 25,000. So 80% means here 20,000. 20% means 5,000. 100% is equal to 25,000. So to this again add administration overhead. Administration overhead is 16.67% of cost of production. So again it is not given. Administration overhead, it is 16.67%. After adding 16.67%, we will get administration overhead, cost of production. So therefore cost of production, we do not know cost of production. So cost of production means 100% here. So now this will be 16.67 means here out of 100%, 16.67% is administration overhead. Then 80, I think 83.33. Is it right? 83.33% is the factory cost. Is it right? 83.33%. So now calculation in two ways you can calculate. 83.33, 16.67, then 25,000 means how much? So it is 5,001. Again 5,001. Can keep 5,000 again 5,000. 5,000. So now the total is 30,000. So other way you can calculate. See, 83.33% is equal to 25,000. 100% is equal to how much? You will get this amount. So difference will be the administration overhead. So this is the, I think, actual way of calculation. Then we will add selling and distribution overhead. Add selling and distribution overhead. Again, selling and distribution overhead is 25% of cost of sales. So it is 25% of cost of sales. So therefore, after adding this, we will get the cost of sales. We do not know cost of sales. So cost of sale means 100%. So then this will be 75%. So if 70% is cost of production, selling and distribution overhead is 25%, then cost of sale is 100%. So here for 75%, 25% is the selling and distribution overhead. For actual 30,000 cost of production, what is the selling and distribution overhead? So it is 10,000. So then 40,000. So it is 10,000 rupees, 10,000. So now our cost of sales is 40,000, or the total sales is, total cost is cost of sales or total cost before the profit. Total cost is 40,000. Now we are again asked to add profit. What price should be quoted for job to obtain 20% profit on sale? 20% profit on sale. Again, cost of sales 40,000. 20%, this is cost of sales. Profit 20% on sale is equal to 20% means 1/5 on sale, 1/5 on sale is equal to 1/4 on cost is equal to 40,000 multiplied by 1/4 is equal to 10. Is it 10,000? Therefore, sales 50,000 is the sales. 50,000 is the sales. So this is how these overheads are calculated when we have given the rate.